In this short lesson, we are going to see how to pronounce this word. This word is pronounced as agenda, agenda, agenda. Let's say its meaning. It's a noun. It means a list of items to be discussed at a formal meeting. It also means a plan. Let's say its use in sentences. The meeting's agenda was distributed to all participants ahead of time. He added a discussion about the new project to the agenda for the next team meeting. The politician's agenda focused on improving education and healthcare. Before we start, let's review the agenda to ensure we are all on the same page. Let's see more sentences using this word agenda. The conference agenda includes keynote speeches, panel discussions, and network sessions. He suspected that the media had a hidden agenda in their coverage of the story. The committee chairperson outlined the day's agenda and emphasized the key priorities. Environmental issues are at the top of the global agenda this year. Thank you for watching. If you like my content, kindly don't forget to subscribe to our channel.